pleasant and blessed day to all of you, my dear viewers. Welcome to Ma'am Jack's Math Tutorials. For today's topic is order of operations on whole numbers, or performing a series of two or more operations applying the PMDAS rule or GMDAS rule. First, let's have the PMDAS rule. Okay, by the way, what are the four fundamental operations in mathematics? We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, before we proceed with our examples, let's first identify what does it mean by these letters. Okay, so P here stands for parenthesis. M is for multiplication. D is for division. A is for addition. And S is for subtraction. While GMDAS, here, G stands for groupings. And MDAS here stands for the same as this one. Okay? So, in our groupings class, we have, aside from the parentheses, okay, this is the parentheses, we have the braces, and brackets. Let us have our first example using the PMDAS rule. By the way, PMDAS meaning we are going to solve first what's inside the parentheses, followed by multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction. So, MD here, it doesn't necessarily mean you are going to solve first multiplication. This one can be interchanged. Okay? So, whichever comes first. And also with addition and subtraction. It can also be interchanged or whichever comes first. So, we have this one. 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 6. Okay? According to our rule, we should solve first what's inside the parentheses. But since there is no parentheses here, let's solve first multiplication or division. Division came first, so we have to solve first 9 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay, very good. Then let's bring down. Okay. Let's bring down the numbers that we didn't touch together with the operation. And then followed by multiplication. Okay. So let's bring down 3 plus, and then solve this one. The product. What's the product? 4 times 6 is 24. Very good. And then 3 plus 24, that is 27. So, 9 divided by 3 plus 4 times 6 is equal to 27. Okay? So, let's have another one. We have here 100 divided by the quantity of 18 plus 10 minus 18 times 4. So, let us apply our rule, which is PMDAS. So, do you see a parenthesis here? Yes, there is a parenthesis. So, we have to solve first what's inside the parenthesis. So, let's bring down 100, equal sign first, divided by 18 plus 10, that is equal to 28. Bring down minus 18, close parenthesis, and then times 4. Bring down again. Since we still have a parenthesis here, so bring down 100 again, divided by, 28 minus 18. We can now remove the parenthesis since there is only one number involved after we solve this equation. So 28 minus 18 is 10. Okay? Times, bring down times 4. Okay? According to our rule, whichever comes first. So since division and multiplication belongs to only one group, or this group, it can be interchanged. So division came first, so we have to solve 100 divided by 10 first. Okay? So 100 divided by 10 is 10 multiplied by 4, or bring down times 4. Now, 10 times 4 is what? Yes, it's 40. So 100 divided by the quantity of 18 plus 10 minus 18 times 4 is equal to 40. Let's now have the GMDAS rule, wherein letter G here stands for groupings. So we have here equation, we have the parentheses, the bracket, and the brace or braces. In this equation class, we have to start with the innermost groupings or group, which is the parenthesis. So we have two operations. We have addition and division. So according to our PMDAS rule, we have to solve first multiplication or division. So let's solve division. First, let's bring down the numbers that we are not going to solve yet. Six plus, and the 12 divided by 4 equals 3. Okay. And then the close parenthesis, addition sign, 10, the bracket, and the brace, close brace. Next one, still we have a parenthesis here, so we have to solve first 6 plus 3. Again, bring down 3, the brace, number 5 plus the bracket sign, and 3. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Okay, the parenthesis first, open parenthesis, 9, close parenthesis, plus 10, the close bracket, and then the close brace. So the innermost group now is the bracket. So let's solve first what's inside the bracket. So 3 times 9 plus 10. When you say a parenthesis class, it means multiplication. Okay. So 3 times 9 plus 10. So PMDAS rule, first solve the multiplication or division. So 3 times 9 first. Again, let's bring down 3. The brace, 5, addition sign, and the bracket sign. So 3 times 9 is 27 plus 10. Okay. So let's now have the next innermost, which is the bracket. So 27 plus 10. 27 plus 10 is 37. So, right, 37. We can now remove the bracket and then the brace sign here. Okay. And then the next one is solve what's inside the brace. So 5 plus 37. So 3. We can now replace this brace with parenthesis. Okay, so 5 plus 37 is 48. 2. Okay, what did I say a while ago? When you see a parenthesis, if there is no operation written, and if it's only parenthesis, it means multiplication. So, 3 times 42, what's the answer? We have 126. So, this is now our final answer. Okay? I hope you learned something from today's lesson, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated with the latest video lessons.